Imagine waking up for work. The sun is already high. You check your phone. It is only 8 a.m., but you have already been awake for 2 hours. By noon, the sun is setting. By 3 p.m., it is pitch black. If the moon vanished tonight, your day would shrink to just 6 hours long. Why would our planet suddenly start spinning like a top gone wild? The answer lies in a violent history. 4 billion years ago, a rock the size of Mars slammed into Earth. This was theia. It should have destroyed us. Instead, the debris formed our moon. It became our anchor. Gravity is a tether. The moon pulls on our oceans. It drags against our rotation. This drag acts like a brake. It keeps our spin slow and steady. Without that lunar brake, Earth would just speed up. Your day would be a blur. Every single hour would be a race against the setting sun. But the speed is only half the nightmare. Think about a spinning top. When it spins fast, it stays upright. When it slows down, it starts to wobble. Earth is that top. The moon keeps our tilt at exactly 23.5 degrees. This tilt gives us our seasons. It keeps our climate predictable. Without the moon, that tilt would swing wildly. We could flip to 0 degrees, no seasons at all. Or we could tilt to 85 degrees. Imagine the North Pole pointing directly at the sun. The ice caps would melt in weeks. The atmosphere would become a chaotic engine of destruction. Storms would grow into monsters. Winds would hit hundreds of miles per hour. They would strip the paint off your car and flatten entire forests before lunch. This is why complex life is so rare. We call it the rare Earth hypothesis. Most planets don't have a massive moon to stabilize their tilt. They are just wandering drifters. Their climates are too violent for life to take hold. They are frozen balls of rock or scorched deserts. We are the survivors of a cosmic accident. That collision with theia was our birth. It gave us the moon. It gave us the tides. Those tides mix the oceans. They distribute heat. They are the heartbeat of our planet. Without that rhythm, the oceans would stagnate. Nutrients wouldn't move. The deep sea would become a dead zone. The surface would follow. Evolution would never have had the time or the stability to build something as complex as you. We are not just living on a planet. We are living on a finely tuned machine. So, look up tonight. That white circle in the sky is not just a rock. It is a stabilizer. It is an anchor. It is the reason you are here. Without it, your life would be a frantic 6-hour dash on a planet ravaged by hurricane-force winds. We are alive because of a collision that happened billions of years ago. We are here because the Earth stopped wobbling. We are here because the moon keeps us steady. What other cosmic accidents keep us alive? If you want to dive deeper into the strange forces that shape our existence, hit that subscribe button. The universe is weirder than you think.